this is the update on my hair. This is how it looks. There's really not much to it. Just, you know, same old, same old. Same old thing. There's some new growth in there and it's locking up pretty well. You can see the ends are still, you know, still kind of boingy and still kind of twisted. I don't know if you can kind of see that. That's what it kind of looks like up close. If you look closer at like my roots, mind the face, but that is kind of what my roots are looking like. Good. So what I actually do for my hair, how often do I wash my hair? Probably about, it depends on what time of the season it is. So it's really hot out, so I'm sweating a lot, so maybe every 2 weeks I'll wash it. In between, if I really feel like I will wash it, but I just don't like messing with my roots too much. When I do wash it, what I use is this VO5, what is it, pomegranate bliss. I don't even know what it is. The reason I don't know is because I get like the really cheap shampoo that I know is going to strip everything from my hair because I'm just really scared of buildup. I know a lot of people out there, you understand what I'm talking about. That buildup looks really horrible. So this is what I use. And there's like a Suave coconut version, like shampoo that really strips everything from your hair, and that's what I use. Now when I strip my hair with all that, you know, shampoo, I want to replenish it a little bit. I don't like a lot of product in my hair, and so what I do use is a little bit thicker, is the Argan Oil Intense Conditioning Treatment. I put a little bit of that, not a whole bunch. I wouldn't say like a dime size or a quarter size. It takes a little bit more because this hair is a little bit thick. So I put a good amount in there, put it in my hair, and then I will, you know, let it sit. So first, when I'm actually shampooing my hair, what I do, I don't section it. I take as much of this as I can. It usually takes about the second, I don't know, the second scrub for it to really get like, you know, sudsy and stuff. So the first one, I try to get as much of the hair itself that's off of the roots as much as I can and just kind of smooth through there, get all the dirt off. Then when I go back in, I try to get more down to my roots and start using my fingernails. You see my fingernails are not the best, but I try to use that as much as I can to really get there in my roots to get all that dirt out. Then I'll, you know, wash it out. And of course, that's with warm water. The second time I do it is with warm water again. And then if I feel like, you know what, it's not as clean, I'll do it a third time. So I'm really stripping a lot of the nutrients from my hair. After that, I'll go in with this. Like I said, more than a dime size because it's thick. I'll put that in there, work it through my hair, not on my roots. Again, I'm scared of buildup, not on my roots, just on the hair itself. I let it sit, you know, do what I need to do, shave, whatever, sing, dance. You know, whatever. And then I will rinse it out as much as I can. I try not to leave any of this in, just because, again, I don't like a lot of product in my hair. I feel like my hair grows a lot better when I don't have too much product in there. So I'll do that. Then I will come out, I'll wring as much water as I can out of my hair before I actually get my towel. I know you're supposed to use a shirt just so you don't break, you know, your hair strands and stuff, but I'm really old school and ignorant, and so I'll use the towel, just get the towel, wrap it up on my hair, do whatever I need to do, moisturize my body, and then I'll go in, do a little pat. I really don't do like the, you know, pat to get everything because it dries up kind of quick, and so I just do that, take it out, then I'll get my little hair tie, make sure there's no prongs or anything in there because I don't want my hair pulling. Very sensitive about that. Put my hair up, and then what I will do is I will use this. If it's retightening, then I will retighten as much as I can. If I'm not retightening, which is very rare, I don't like my hair not being retightened. I don't know why. I like a little bit of new growth, but recently, I guess because I'm still in the shorter phase, my hair isn't as long, I've been getting really picky about that. So I'll use this, and I've showed you guys how I used this before. Put my hair through, and then, you know, tighten it up. And then I will let it sit. I will take some of this. This is just some oils I mixed. I honestly think it's a little bit too thick, so I'm gonna actually go back and reevaluate and see which oils I want. Right now I have olive oil in there. Now you know that's very thick for your scalp. And again, I'm really scared of buildup, so I haven't used this a lot. I use a little, like literally a ton, like, see if I can show you. That is what I'll do. Like 2 or 3 of those, and then do section by section. So the front, and then here at the top, the middle, and then the back. Then I will take, you know, a spray bottle with water. I'm going to show you what that looks like. And then if I do want some moisture in between those 2 weeks where I'm like, ooh, it's a little dry and I want a little bit more, then I will use this, the olive oil moisturizing growth lotion. And if any of you have ever used this, you know that this itself is water. It's watered down, it's water. But I think it smells good and it gives a little bit of moisture to my hair, so I'll use that. And then I actually need to get some rose water to put in my water bottle so that I can, you know, feel like my hair is getting something out of it. And that's pretty much what I'll do. If I want to lay down some of the baby hairs, what I will do is just take my hands and do this and then tie down my scarf at night. That's it. If it's not working, it's a little bit too much hair, then I might use the Eco Styler, the coconut oil one. But the only thing with that is that I just feel like it puts buildup in the front of my hair, and so what I end up doing is just washing the front of my hair again, and so I don't really like that. So I've actually stopped using this and just let it be. I don't want to mess with it too much. Now, in between 2 weeks, maybe if I'm going 3 weeks, 4 weeks sometimes, without washing my hair, then I see like the front. I actually did last night. What I'll do is I'll take the hair, right, because I don't want to, you know, do too much to tighten it. I'll take it, and then I'll do just like the palm roll method. So, you know, you take the extra baby hairs that's there and you take it and you kind of twirl it, and then you do like that, and then it kind of stays, right? Just like that. And then what I'll do after I do that, make sure the front row is done, then I'll pull it up into a kind of like a bun or so, and just let it dry. So I'm doing that while it's wet, and then I'll pull it up to make sure it dries. Just for those of you who've had regular locks, you know what I'm talking about when you're trying to do the retwist, because I've had regular locks a couple of times. Insert pictures here. Okay, yeah, and so that's exactly what I'll do. Other than that, that's the only thing I do to upkeep my hair. Right now what I have is like one of those headbands in, and I just kind of pushed it back a little bit, and I just like this. I wore it to work, and I think I'm going to wear my hair like this for the next 2 weeks until I want to do something else. Something I also do is braid it down so I can have that kind of curly wave kind of look. I really like that, but the only thing is I'm giving my hair a break from that just because it seems like it's, you know, kind of stretching it, and I don't know if that has anything to do with it locking faster or not, and I just wanted to give it a break to see what will happen. And so that's what I do to wash my hair and kind of upkeep it and maintain it the way that I like it to look. It's been, how many months? Insert months here. It's been that many months. And I like it so far. I have had my second guesses where I'm like, ooh, I want to take it out. That's just me. I change my hair so much, but I think actually, you know, I like it. I think it looks good. Let me see if I can get like a nice little how it looks in the back. I still have some color to the ends where I did color my hair a little bit, but that's really kind of what it looks like. And I kind of showed you all the middle and all that already. I don't know if it's getting in there or not, but you know, I showed you that, and that's my hair. I'm pretty happy with it. I think the next thing I'll probably do is how I braid it down, and then I did do passion twists over my hair like a month or 2 ago for when I took a trip. I did passion twist, and I'll put the picture in here. And I really liked it, and I should have recorded. I'm thinking about doing it again, but you know. Anyways, thank you all for watching, and that's my update on my hair. Mind me of the crazy little weird dances.